Hey guys, Jay here, welcome to Eons of Battle, and in this video I want to show you how to make some battle-worn brick bases. Here are the paints I'll be using. So first things first, you need some scale bricks. These are from Green Stuff World, and they're the perfect size, but they're way too clean, so I have to mess them up. To do this, I put them in a container I didn't mind ruining with some small screws and bolts, and I shook them violently for about 3 or 4 minutes. This gave me some nice weathered looking bricks and some nice broken pieces as well. Then I carefully glued them down onto the base using a pair of tweezers and making sure to leave a little bit of space in between each brick. On each base, I made a clean section where all the bricks are laid out nicely, and then I used the broken bricks on the edges and piled them up haphazardly to make it look like there was some kind of battle. Once I liked the look of my bases, I took the remaining bricks and smashed them up and poured the crumbs into some fine-grained sand. Then I poured myself a little wood glue and applied this to the bases where there was no bricks. Then I sprinkled on my brick and sand mixture and the modeling was done. I let that dry and then it was time for painting. I started out by giving them a coat of black primer through my airbrush, but you could also do this with a rattle can. And then I base coated the models with some Games Workshop Mephiston Red. After that, I gave them a heavy dry brushing of some Vallejo Bonewhite. I kept on dry brushing until I had covered most of the red. Once that was done, the only thing left to do was to paint the rim of the base black. And there you have 3 finished brick bases, ready for your steampunk minis. We make tutorials like these all the time, and if you find them helpful, you might consider supporting us over on Patreon. And you'll get some behind the scenes and exclusive content as well. If bricks aren't your thing, you could check out our D&D Cobblestone Pathway. Find this video and lots more like it on our basing playlist, where you'll find tons of easy and unique bases. But that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and as always, thanks for watching.